The future we've only seen in sci-fi movies is about to become our new reality. According to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, humanoid robots walking among us is no longer a distant dream. It's just around the corner. But here's the real shocker. The world isn't ready. From job disruption to ethical dilemmas, this next wave of AI may hit harder than anything before. The question is, are we ready to live in a world where robots might outthink, outwork, and outnumber us? Synthetic people will replace you. More likely as AI advances quicker every day. Super intelligent robots that could blend in with people were a dream for decades. As sophisticated as human synthesizers, autonomous AI was science fiction. More headlines depict bioengineers and scientists creating human-like robots. Using screws and microchips for brains and complex algorithms, AI-powered synthetic humans look, move, and interact like people. Tesla's Optimus and 1X Technologies Neo could pass for farm and warehouse workers because to their lifelike size and facial expressions. Their metallic look indicates AI. Researchers are making human-like synthetic skin. Flexible polymers for robotics have touch, pressure, and temperature sensors. Tapping your shoulder or feeling the sun on your skin are no longer reserved for living things. These sophisticated sensors allow AI bots to feel what you do, blurring human-robot boundaries. Additionally, Tokyo University researchers are making significant progress towards self-healing artificial skin. If a robot could be covered with human flesh was a core topic from last year. Several declined. Right, since skin healing requires living cells in a living organism, with a circulatory, respiratory, and digestive system to provide nutrients and oxygen. Japanese scientists created self-healing artificial skin in the lab a year after that thread, startling the globe. Before, robots that fell or crashed had car-like dents. With improved artificial skin, they'll recuperate like humans and resemble us more than machines. The Tokyo University artificial skin scientists doubled down by making their experiment smile. AI humanoids may mimic our movements, attitudes, and appearance. Professor Shoji Takeuchi's team attached an actuator to delicate cultured skin and tugged to make it smile. Engineer Arts Amika mimics human facial emotions since 2019. Her rubbery skin contrasted with the Japanese's pink goo. Amika smiles with joy, covers her mouth with disbelief, and shrugs with confusion in a video on the company's website. Amazingly, mechanical actuators can duplicate our 43 facial muscles and recreate our expressions in synthetic humans. In addition to anchoring and moving face muscles, actuators provide another outstanding AI humanoid feature. These structures flex and extend like arm and leg muscle fibers to help robots walk, grip, and perform difficult jobs like humans. When Clone Robotics released a video of its protoclone, a synthetic human with human musculoskeletal features, social media went crazy. Over 200 degrees of freedom, 1,000 myofibers, and 500 sensors should give the protoclone a streetwalker-like gait. See my release video for more on the protoclone. Soon, robots' awkward steps will disappear. Amazing considering this thought was unthinkable a few years ago. We resemble robotic people beyond appearances. It takes more than looking and moving like us. Advanced robots speak. You may have heard of AI chatbot companies ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek. AI models may answer instantaneously, making you feel like you're texting a smart human. These companies are also building advanced models that can converse in synthetic humans. Sophia, a talking, social robot, startled the world in 2016. Jimmy Fallon brought her on The Tonight Show because of her outstanding robot. Since they last met, she addressed foreign leaders at 2017's NATO gathering, became Saudi Arabia's first robot citizen, and became Twitter friends with Chrissy Teigen. Jimmy Fallon joked about Netflix binge-watching. It's scary to think that actual humans sit and observe the world while humanoid robots mix with presidents and give speeches that could hurt them. These bots and sophisticated AI that recognizes, tracks, and duplicates human emotions could influence worldwide trade and military policies that touch millions or billions. All of these would be less scary if we could merely disconnect a button when things go awry. But smart AI bots can learn, a uniquely human quality. Self-improvement and algorithm change are possible even with a finite algorithm. Several trials show Tesla's Optimus can imitate human or video tasks. Self-learning AI may only be able to put parts together, but once they can take inventory, generate reports, and report to a higher-up, they might improve their careers. Why not take over all sectors in management if they can execute human intelligence tasks better? Then what about us? Unfortunately, humanoid AI replacing humans at work is now possible. This is happening now, and blue-collar workers suffer. Amazon's Digit warehouse robot, powered by AI, transports goods simply. This bipedal robot can grab boxes and position them on the conveyor belt, accelerating processing and delivery. Digit helps humans recycle totes and replace inventory by moving, grabbing, and handling things in small spaces. These robots operate quietly with humans, but as they improve, they'll become more popular. If one robot can do the work of 3 people, you can increase your profit margin, which benefits shareholders. Digital and human labor layoffs may result from Amazon's $1 billion Industrial Innovation Fund. Digit's parent company, Agility Robotics, led the way by cutting workers in April 2024. Plans to build a larger Oregon facility that mass-produces synthetic creatures threaten Agility and Amazon employees. Fast food workers must be cautious or face AI replacement. Without training personnel, McDonald's employed AI to improve customer service in 2024. The worldwide burger company invested $300 million on dynamic yield AI bots for over 100 U.S. facilities with IBM. McDonald's drive-thru's groundbreaking AI application was covered on LinkedIn by digital artist Deepak Chauhan. He said a voice recognition drive-thru would speed up service and enhance inventory management at the eatery. TikTokers documented the AI-powered drive-thru bot's failure. Artificial intelligence evolves daily, so this choice may be a temporary relief before starting afresh. Robots are replacing assembly line workers, eliminating manufacturing employment. Xiaomi released footage of a 24-hour smart factory in 2024, claiming 100% automation. This plant cannot accommodate workers. With a projected 10 million cell phones per year, they don't need many workers. Smart factories appear like the better financial investment with 19 phones every minute 24/7. Xiaomi believes its smart factory is a small step forward, but it's a big stride toward unemployment for job-dependent people. It appears the company has no plans to slow AI adoption. The 2023 cyber-owned humanoid robot can put microchips into other machines. Xiaomi may replace humans in its other factories with synthetic creatures that don't tire, make mistakes, or pay well with such dexterity. With AI-powered health professionals like Grace performing human responsibilities, healthcare is at risk. CNN covered this Japanese nurse's 2021 burnout reduction assistant role. She takes vital signs, supervises workouts, and explains her profession with a friendly face and voice. Grace's talk therapy, which shows her human feelings and intelligence, is amazing. That's expected given Hanson Robotics made Sophia and her. Grace also cares for the elderly and ailing. She speaks multiple languages, making her excellent for global markets. Improved AI like Grace will keep worldwide medical robot sales soaring, according to the International Federation of Robotics, IFR. Hospitals may buy these synthetic beings to help caregivers, but they may soon represent healthcare in various countries. Mass-producing AI bots, like Grace, would save money. Medical errors are the third leading cause of death in the U.S. Thus, management wants better methods. Service workers are another customer-facing profession under risk. Humanoid robots are replacing retail workers in China, but McDonald's may not be ready. CloudMind's Chinese semi-humanoid receptionist, Cloud Pepper, handles calls. Humanoid robots are coming, and fast. Sam Altman's warning isn't science fiction. It's a glimpse into the very near future. While the technology races ahead, our systems, laws, and even our minds are lagging behind. Whether we embrace it or resist it, one thing is certain: the age of humanoid intelligence has begun. So the real question isn't when they're arriving, it's what we're going to do about it. Are we prepared, or already too late?